Good morning, everyone. I am Azana, and today I'll be introducing you to Flutter, Google's UI toolkit for building fast, beautiful, natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop, all from a single code base. Here's the agenda for today's presentation. We will start by understanding what Flutter is, move on to its key features, and then dive into its architecture. We will compare Flutter to other frameworks, explore the core concepts of widgets, talk about the Dart programming language, and cover state management. We will also see how Flutter allows development for multiple platforms before wrapping up with some real-world example and a conclusion. Let's see what is Flutter. Flutter is Google's open source UI toolkit used to create applications that run on mobile, web, and desktop. It's a highly efficient solution for developers who want to create apps for multiple platforms using a single code base. Released in 2017, and Flutter uses the Dart programming language, which was also created by Google. Key features of Flutter. Flutter has several key features that set it apart from other frameworks. First, it allows you to write a single code base that can be deployed across iOS, Android, web, and desktop platforms. Hot Reload enables you to see code changes in real time, speeding up development. Its rich widget catalog makes it easy to create expressive, highly customizable UIs. And because it compiles directly to native ARM code, it provides near native performance. Lastly, it has a large and growing community that contributes to its ecosystem of libraries and plugins. Here's the architecture. Flutter's architecture is built around three main layers. The first is the Dart programming language, which is optimized for client-side development. The second is the Flutter engine, which handles rendering, gestures, and animations, and is written in C# for high performance. Lastly, we have the framework itself, which is built on top of Dart and offers a rich set of customizable widgets. Together, these layers enables a seamless development experience. Flutter was other frameworks. Let's compare Flutter to some other popular frameworks. React Native uses JavaScript and requires a bridge between the app and native code, which can slow down performance. Xamarin uses C# but needs different UI design for each platform. Meanwhile, native development requires separate code bases for iOS and Android, which increases development time and cost. Flutter, on the other hand, offers a unified code base, faster development, and excellent performance, although it does have some cons, such as larger app size and being a relatively newer framework. Widgets in Flutter. Widgets are the building block of every Flutter app. Everything in Flutter is a widget. From UI elements like text and buttons to layout components like rows and columns, there are two main types of widgets, stateless and stateful. Stateless widgets don't change once they are created, while stateful widgets can change based on user input or data changes. Flutter makes it easy to customize or even create your own widgets, providing great flexibility in designs. Here are some types of widgets. Stateless widgets doesn't store any state, remains static. Stateful widgets stores state that can change over time. And here are some example of common widgets: text, container, rows, and column. Dart programming language. Flutter uses Dart, a client-optimized programming language created by Google. Dart offers both AOT, ahead of time compilation, which speed up app performance, and JIT, just in time compilation, which supports hot reload for faster development. Dart's syntax is easy to learn, especially if you are familiar with object-oriented programming languages like Java or JavaScript. Additionally, Dart supports asynchronous programming with features like assign and await, and its null safety features help avoid common runtime errors. State management in Flutter. State management is one of the most important aspects of app development, as it ensures that your app behaves correctly when the user interacts with it or when data changes. Flutter provides several state management solutions. For simple apps, the set state method works well. For more complex applications, you can use packages like Provider, Block, or Riverpod. Each approach has its own strengths depending on the complexity and scale of your app. For example, Block is highly scalable and suitable for large apps, while Provider is simpler and great for small apps. Here are the popular apps built with Flutter. Flutter has gained popularity among major companies. Google Ads, the official app for managing Google ad campaigns, is built with Flutter. Alibaba, one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms, uses Flutter to create a seamless mobile experience. BMW employs Flutter for its in-car systems, and Reflectly, a popular journaling app, showcases Flutter's capability to create highly customizable UIs. These examples highlight Flutter's versatility and its growing adoption by large enterprises. And in conclusion, to wrap things up, Flutter offers a powerful, efficient, and versatile solution for cross-platforms development. It allows developers to build beautiful, high-performance apps for mobile, web, and desktop, all form from a single code base. Whether you are working on a startup or a large enterprise project, Flutter can help you accelerate development cycles and improve user experience. I encourage you to try Flutter yourself and explore its growing ecosystem. Thank you for your time, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you.